Want some hogs? Some hogs?
I know for Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
You even get the effects in the back.
You got the mic pointed at you.
I still didn't finish it. You still just have to talk. Oh, it was new to him.
Oh, I like this. Hey, T-Boy, thank you. Thank you. Oh,
Yes, two are big for each other.
Hey, man. Do I sound something?
You sound okay.
Fluffy.
Alright, here we go.
Now, sister, all of the stories. Like happy, man.
Yeah.
I will give you.
From the first time that I met you, babe, I was amazed with just your ways and how you carried yourself. Baby girl, I felt I couldn't help myself, so I asked for your name. Ever since then, my heart been through a change. 'Cause of you, the only difference between us is I feel my heart is more into this than yours, but only if you let me feel the empty that you feel with me. We'll never have as again, so let me in, baby. Let me take your heart to where it's never been. With open arms, open your heart, girl, and let me in. Oh yeah.
Check Allokey, MySpace.com, /Allokey.
Yeah. He's like I said, I didn't finish the song yet.
Oh, that was nice.
That was a nice song.
Thank you, Lalo.
I'm sorry. Yeah, it's nice. Another one! Billy! Ain't that right? Another one! Come on, dude. All right, take the chain off that pit bull. Come on.
You okay, Alo?
We're going to put this on the computer. There's some young people who like that.
Sit up.
Yeah, that's right. So we might as well move on to the next time.
Can I also do the Uso song?
The Uso song?
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause I didn't get to record it.
Really?
Yes,
Hey.
My friend.
Mona Uso, sei amanado mais, moço você na paz, amor e
side. We have our video director right here who is trying to coordinate the
Some like.
tripod. The human
Camera still going?
Let's keep it rolling.
Yeah.
Yeah, once again.
Oh,
Where we at? Treasure Island?
Yeah.
Treasure Island.
Island is a treasure.
Divas Entertainment in the house. Certified Entertainment in the house. It's your boy Aloe Key. Spawn Breezy. All the way from Missouri. Here in the Bay. having a good time. So last night. This is the
after show.
the after show, after a hotel buffet show.
It's another club. It's another club out there.
Yeah.